Promoting a Shopify store on TikTok involves creating engaging content and leveraging the platform's trends and features. Compelling product showcases. Create captivating videos showcasing your Shopify products. Use catchy music, effects, or storytelling to highlight product features, usage, or benefits. Trend participation. Stay updated with TikTok trends and challenges. Participate in relevant ones while integrating your products creatively. This increases the likelihood of your content being discovered. Behind-the-scenes content. Share the process of creating your products, packaging, or business operations. Authentic and transparent content resonates well with TikTok users. Influencer or user collaborations. Collaborate with influencers or TikTok users in your niche. They can showcase or review your products, expanding your reach and credibility. Educational and how-to videos. Create tutorials or quick DIYs related to your products. Offer tips, tricks, or creative ways to use your items. Educational content often performs well on TikTok. Engage and interact. Respond to comments, engage with your audience, and encourage user-generated content. TikTok favors active interaction and engagement. Hashtags and challenges. Create branded hashtags or challenges related to your products. Encourage users to participate and share their experiences, generating buzz around your brand. Call to action and links. Direct viewers to your Shopify store by including your store link in your bio or adding it in the video description. Encourage viewers to visit your store or use special discount codes.